Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi A6 versus Golf. We'll explore how these two popular German vehicles, despite both being from the Volkswagen Group, serve very different purposes. We'll look at their core differences in design, performance, and overall value proposition to help you decide which might be right for you. When it comes to performance, the Audi A6 typically features more robust engines, often V6 or V8 options, delivering higher horsepower and torque for a more dynamic driving experience. The Golf, on the other hand, focuses on efficiency with its smaller, often turbocharged four-cylinder engines, perfect for city driving and everyday commutes. Inside, the Audi A6 exudes luxury with high-quality materials, sophisticated design, and cutting-edge technology, including larger screens and advanced driver assistance systems. The Golf prioritizes practicality and ergonomics, offering a comfortable and intuitive interior that's well-built and functional for families, though with less overall space. Considering price, the Audi A6 commands a premium, reflecting its luxury status and advanced features, leading to higher insurance and maintenance costs. The Golf presents a more affordable entry point, with excellent fuel efficiency and generally lower ownership expenses, making it a budget-friendly choice. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.